to change your Discord display name. So for that you have to go through all these steps. So first of all, tap on the Discord icon on your device to open it. Click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to open user settings. Inside settings, tap on my account to access your account details. Find the edit button next to your current display name and tap on it to begin editing. Delete your existing display name from the text field to make room for the new one. Type in your desired new display name accurately in the text field. You can add images or special characters to make your display name more unique and personalized. For security purposes, enter your password to confirm the display name change. Once everything looks good, tap the Done button to save your new display name. Go back to My Account and confirm that your new display name is correctly showing on your profile. Thank you for watching.